Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the Stratos Zephyr expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is a straightforward RSI based mean reversion robot on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame. Now the developer shows strong historical results with high win rates and excellent risk controls, but I also ran a full year test to see how it actually performs in recent conditions. So sure you watch the end to get the full picture and the breakdown of the Stratos Zephyr expert advisor. But before we dive in, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. Now we are talking about the Stratos Zephyr expert advisor. It was developed by Michela Russo from Italy, who is very popular on the MQ5 community with 4.5 stars out of 5 from 1,898 ratings. He has 22 products, and this particular expert advisor has 262 reviews, good reviews actually, because the total rating of the EA is 4.76 out of 5 stars, and these are from people who have bought and used this EA. I also have comments by 165 from different traders alike, all praising the EA, and talking, some also saying that it didn't do quite well for them. But at the end of the day, let's look at what this EA has to offer that is getting it all of these reviews like this. Now, the EA uses the RSI indicator, the default period 14, to catch reversals. It buys when RSI crosses up from oversold territory around 30 and sells when it crosses down from overbought levels around 70. Now, this is classic mean reversion trading, aiming to fade extremes on the 1 hour time frame by using the simple RSI, not too much indicator, just the RSI. And it includes the take profit targets, the risk-based lot sizing, the loss cap protection, the trading session filters, and various close rules. The seller highlights some good numbers and backtest with win rates at 77%. We also have profit factors of over 3.17, and we have very low drawdowns of 4.64 on the equity and 2.54 on the balance. Now, this is classic mean reversion trading, and this is showing clean performance on EURUSD in their backtest. This is how it looks when installed on your chart. We have just the RSI, and we also have a dashboard by the top left, and it works on the 1 hour from the 15 minutes actually, and the 1 hour time frame. We also have NZD USD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, and all other volatile pairs that can get some reasonable pips out of the market using the RSI. Now let's look at the key features and the settings marketed by the developer. It includes the adjustable RSI levels and period. We also have the auto lot with risk scaling. There's the fixed or dynamic take profit, and we also have the loss cap amount. There is the scheduled trading windows, the max concurrent orders, and spread controls. It is designed as a simple rule-based system with built-in risk management for the 1 hour time frame trading. Now let's look at more settings from the inputs on the MetaTrader 5. We have the auto lot, the risk level, spread allowed 300 for this, and you can enable concurrent buying and selling. There is also the trading window. You can choose which trading window you want. You have the lot increase rules, the grid. It does have grid elements in it. This is to help recover losing trades by adding more positions in the same direction. Yeah, and we have some of that taking effect here. I had the opportunity to run my backtest using the defaults from the developer on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame from 2025 June to same time 2026 June, and it was on a $10,000 account on everything based on real ticks modeling. And let's look at the results. The result was a net profit of around $400, to be precise 399.85, and the profit factor was 3.86. We also have extremely low max drawdown around 0.15 to 1%, which is very impressive for an expert advisor that has greed. Yes, it is very impressive considering the fact that it has grid and recovery systems in it. And it also has a high win rate of 77%, which is the same as in their backtest. And the equity curve was very steady with minimal dips and consistent gains over time. This is it. Just a steady upward movement. Like, it's a straightforward equity curve, and it's very impressive. You can see some of its grid action here. The first sell was here, then the grid took in, had the second, the third, the fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. All of these are opened at the same time, trying to recover this loss, the first two losses. Yeah, that's exactly how grid works, and it can be risky. Yeah, it can be very risky if the market continues buying instead of finally selling to recover the loss that has been incurred. But if we are still in an uptrend and kept on going up, then you know that this account would have been blown, because the grid will keep on activating until we get a dip to be able to close up and get back to balance or break even. At least that's the way grid works. We have another one here and another one here, and you can see some of all those spikes here. All these spikes are indications of where the grid took action and tried to take the whole equity that was trying to dip back to balance, or even to end at a profit. This is the RSI here with the custom 70 and 30. This is the defaults actually. You can see how it works. RSI going below 30, we have a buy trade opened. RSI going below 30 again, we have a buy trade opened and another one opened. Basically following the default RSI to the T. We have another one here going below 30. We have a buy signal open. It's very impressive, and compared to the developer's strong showcase, my test showed similar high win rate and tight drawdown behavior, although profits were more modest in this specific period. Now, my verdict for this expert advisor is simple. It delivers a clean and disciplined RSI mean reversion approach that kept drawdowns very low in testing. The catch is that these strategies work great in rangy markets but can struggle on or string together losses during strong trends where RSI stays extreme for external extended periods. Now, the loss cap and session filters provide good protection, and this is for traders who prefer simple indicator based mean reversion on EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame, and also for traders who want low maintenance, low drawdown performance, and is suitable for prop accounts with conservative settings. Beginners might find it approachable, but anyone trading in strong trending conditions or expecting big wins should be realistic. They shouldn't avoid it, they should actually go with it, but should be very realistic when approaching with this expert advisor, because it can be conservative. Its greed is solely to recover and not to try to get more and more profit. Like, we don't have hedging or martingale here, just greed, and this is just to recover the losses that can be incurred while trading with the Stratos Zephyr expert advisor. I advise you to test thoroughly on your own broker, and that is the end of our review of this EA. Like the video if you want more real expert advisor reviews like this one. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one, and comment below which EA you want me to review next. Don't forget to grab the free Forex robot from the description below, and try to save. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.